trainer. So Alok, please come.
Alok, पहले गिफ्ट ले लो फिर बाद में बात करना.
I think Alok wants to say something. Alok, you have to say 2 words.
Good evening everyone. My name is Alok and today I want to share something. कुछ खट्टा कुछ मीठा. It might take some more minutes, but pardon me for that. So the journey begins from me getting recommended by a few of my old clients who joined Wipro Furniture, Nitesh and Yogesh. I think Nitesh has moved to Crompton and Yogesh is still there. So what happened is Parag boss was there. He came, he interviewed me and he found that yes, this guy is okay, and I was given the position of territory manager for furniture business, जहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं था. When I said कुछ भी नहीं था, हमारे पास एक सॉफ्ट कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन होती थी और हम आर्किटेक्ट के पास जाना शुरू किए और आर्किटेक्ट पूछते थे यार ये वही विप्रो है, अजीम प्रेमजी वाला है, कोई नकली विप्रो है. So that was the response from where we started. But the team at the back end was really very pushy, very hard, and we started. I was fortunate to have good bosses. Like my first boss in Delhi was Mr. Shriram, matured guy, learned a lot of things. उनसे मैंने सीखा कि प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल करते हैं, नेगोशिएशन में कैसे बिहेव करते हैं. एंड विद सेड एंड डन वी हैड अ प्रोडक्ट कॉल्ड 3 टाइल सिस्टम. 3 टाइल सिस्टम का यूनिकनेस बना के हमने इतने अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स लिए जिसमें वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हिच वी क्रैक वाज फॉर एरिक्सन. It was a multi-location project and I remember Anuj boss was there, the last negotiation from I think 21 million to 16.8 million we closed that customer and the overall project size was more than 6 crores, 60 million. That was a huge business. और उस business में उस project में खास बात क्या थी कि वो project execute हो रहा था सिर्फ weekends पे. I remember how rigorous the planning was. ट्रक कब निकलेगा मंडे को ताकि फ्राइडे पहुंचे गुड़गांव, लोडिंग अनलोडिंग एंड द प्रोजेक्ट टीम वाज सेट अप टू डू द एग्जीक्यूशन in just 2 nights, Friday night and Saturday night, that's it. Saturday night was just for snag removals. तो हमने उस तरह के projects किए. And I was again fortunate enough after Mr. Shriram moved out, I had Smitar boss, again a man of prestige, good learnings from him. उन्होंने मुझे aggression सिखाया. And under his guidance, I was able to actually shout out one of the clients. I was one of the decent guys in the entire office, कुछ नहीं बोलता था. मुझे एक ऐसा कंडीशन आ गया जब मुझको क्लाइंट के ऊपर शाउट करना पड़ा. And the client was Bharti Airtel Limited, a big client of ours.
उसकी CEO आज हमारे पास आ रही बैठी हुई है.
Right. The problem was one thing. जब पेमेंट मांगने जाओ कुछ ना कुछ बहाना बना के, and obviously सेल्स वाला हूँ तो आउटस्टैंडिंग रहेगी, डंडा तो रहेगा ही. मैं कहता था गलती बताओ, पैसे रोको. गलती कुछ नहीं लेकिन पैसे देंगे अगले सप्ताह, एक सप्ताह 2 सप्ताह. फाइनली आई शाउटेड एंड द एंटायर ऑफिस वाज वाचिंग मी. अरे ये बंदा कैसे चिल्ला दिया. उस समय वाजपेयी जी थे, ही वाज द एडमिन हेड देयर. वो उठ के देखने लगे क्या हो गया लोग को, व्हाई ही इज शाउटिंग लाइक दैट. बट अगेन आई हैड द सपोर्ट ऑफ माय बॉसेस. Shrivinder ji was there. We fixed a meeting with his boss and his boss and we settled down. So that was one of the learnings कि कई बार हम कहते हैं क्लाइंट भगवान होता है. Yes, but क्लाइंट भगवान हमेशा नहीं होता है. You have to be rational enough to ask for your money. बिजनेस क्यों करते हैं, पैसे के लिए करते हैं. So I learned and again I had a different. I'm sorry I'm taking some more minutes. Is it okay? Yes, please. Okay. So एक ऐसा कंडीशन आया जहाँ पे मैंने बॉस से सीखा and लोग धोनी को मिस्टर कूल कहते हैं. I have seen Mr. Cool in front of me and I'll give you a real life example what happened. There is a company called Graziano Transmission India and Private in Greater Noida. उसके CEO कुमार दिया लोगों ने, he was so shrewd, so hard. वो सीधा मुँह बात ही नहीं करता था. We cooped up in deliveries and he said पैसा नहीं देंगे. पैसा कैसे हो सकता है, मटेरियल गया, इंस्टॉलेशन हो गई, पैसा नहीं देंगे. So we set up a meeting. I called boss, me, Sundar boss and Anil boss. We went to the client and he was like a tiger in the jungle. जब वो आते थे ना उनके CEO तो सब एकदम पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस हो जाता था जैसे स्कूल में हेडमास्टर आया करते हैं. He was in the meeting and the moment we entered, he entered. Actually we were sitting already with the IT head, the project head. Literally मतलब he was talking so nonsense and absurd things कि यदि पर्सनली लेता तो जूता मारता, वैसा वाली कहानी थी. But boss was literally, yes sir, yes sir. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा था कि बॉस कैसे बर्दाश्त कर रहा है. He has no right to actually humiliate an individual. ठीक है? He was owning a position, he was listening. Finally, जब आधे घंटे वो पूरा बोलते रह गए, तब जाके बॉस ने बोला, बॉस पेमेंट कम मिलेगी. That's it. And everything was settled down. So this is what I learned. In Wipro, I learned to not only to do the right thing, but also how to live life. And there onwards, I started my entrepreneurship journey. 2010 I started my entrepreneurship journey. मैं boss को बता रहा था. It's not about only knowing the good things and the right things. You should know how to handle the market. You should know what wrong things also happen in the market. And today, I'm pleased to share that I'm working as a entrepreneur. Again, I'm teaching IT guys especially to do online businesses and become online coaches so that they can have alternate source of income, or they can create this particular thing as their own business. So this is what I wanted to share. Thank you so much for giving your time, and I'm literally thankful to your entire team. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू आलोक.
Thank you very much.
So आलोक ने विप्रो की बहुत सारी लर्निंग्स कर दी है.